Yafika ingqothongweni kwashina. Love you. Do you see a lace that is transparent? Uyayibona mara? Ukuthi izovele imelt ibe beautiful kanjani. Y'all ain't ready. Not ready.
What's up, Gooch? Someone sabotaged the bridge over the Jandy River. The bridge is down? Affirmative. That means yes. Situation.
Limpopo, I don't know, man. Like, I don't know. Okay, much better. I am so ready for this trip. It's not even funny. Y'all are so good. It's not even funny. Like,
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican.
So I didn't leave yesterday. You're gonna ask me why? You will see why, right? Sana, I need to melt today. I need to go to Postnet. Yeah. I need to collect these hoodies. I need to finish packing. I need to bath. I need to go. 40 long thing hamba. Oh. I don't even want to say. Okay? But Zichami, Sami. Welcome to Ikwabo. Welcome to that season. And I'm gonna take you guys through this journey. You know, y'all are gonna see. You only left. She literally left me. But today I can't wait to see her and everyone. You know, let's roll the clip. Sana ngifike ngaxoxa la. Manje ngifike ngaxoxa ngadla ngoba kusekhaya ngabe ngazipholela. Can you imagine that? Ngikhohle nokuvlogger. But anyway, guys, I'm back. Kusebusuku, getting ready to leave. Bandla like mina sengikhatheleyo. Like today stressed me. My hair, my eyelashes, all these things. Stressed sana, so stressed. But anyway, asambeni. Like, I just want to show you guys the vlog. I don't think I'll be able to vlog episode, like take videos during the night, but I will try my best for the road. And then obviously when I get there, it's a different story. You get so asambeni.
Ma emina mina ngiyala erubhina ngibuyeli mina maye mina ngiyala erubhina ngibuyeli maye mina ngiyala erubhina ngibuyeli maye mina ngiyala ngiyangibuza nginitshali ndrabe marubeni ngiyangibuza nginitshali ndrabe marubeni ngiyangibuza nginitshali ndrabe marubeni ngiyangibuza nginitshali.
Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and it's like 20:07. Hello, sisters. Unjan. Guys, sorry about that. That was sisters. Morning, yellow. I am so tired. Guys, I tried taking videos yesterday. I paid a space. I'm starting to make this thing work. You understand me? You are bloody frustrated, like on another level. But yeah, let me just try to sort out this whole space thing. But then, hi guys, welcome to Iguabo. It is the day of Iguabo, the day of it. Yesterday, we were busy, we paid the whole night. I think we only slept at like 2 in the morning. And so now we're up. I've got like daily duties to do. So let me get up actually. Yoli still asleep. Hey, son. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, let me actually start taking proper content for you guys so you guys can actually see what's going on. But again, good morning.
ngake ngabuyele rubhini ngatolumkuba ngake ngabuyele marubhini ngatolumkuba ngake ngabuyele marubhini ngitolumkuba ngade ngabuyele marubhini ngitolumkuba khuluma nazo mhlobo nyakabungela ukosi siphuthuma samadoda ayisaba naluzululela phasi memhlaba izabe bathi phasi mamjumeza kuye sabe kaphazulula sazulu luphosa umbala yesiduna lezi bafana bagogo ngeze matshena amhlophe matshena amakhulu le phasi ematezi zilopho ngikhamba naye lapha undrimandre kanzunza batsho ngulilo wezwile amagonsa aphosa abafana bagogo batsho umrepa oqosha ngama-dreads wampetha athi oli batsho wena mfana kagogo erubhina ngibuyeli ngiyala namhlanje erubhina ngibuyeli ngiyala ndula erubhina ngibuyeli ngiyala ndula erubhina ngibuyeli ngiyala ndula ora mntwana ora mntwana wenzile umabhokosi indweni umhlabuni wenzile umabhokosi indweni umhlabuni kasikosi belekele baleni njengenyamazana asiyempelekweni boma asiyempelekweni ikosi belethele baleni njengenyamazana kazubaba bodle emahaheni omlambo kazumsana miyena mutu yabadlula funze khabo umabhoka kathoma wo yafunze khabo kanina ehotshela inyama
ngiyakuzela kwamabhoko akuvalwa ngemvalo kuvalwa ngenhloko zamadoda wo yahliziyo tutuka nosuli boya ngumabhoko sindreni umhlana vuithuli boya ngumabhoko sindreni umhlana vuithuli boya ngumabhoko sindreni umhlana vuithuli
Kunini sikufuna? She celeb.
Why is it celebrity? What celebrity?
Ooh.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome to the vlog.
Ekhaya kunomnyanya, mabatsho.
Ayi bara ngishilo ngalamadlebe.
kancane ngoba ngiyasho nje ukuthi ngiyinkosi.
Anyway, guys, this is like, you know, the end of the vlog. Okay, it's not the end, but like towards the end, I think. Yo, like we're so bright.
Forget about it, like, yazini ngifana nani ne? Ilula lento.
Ah.
Ayibona.
It was super califiscidos.
Lying, and I couldn't tell you the truth, but
Yeah.
you never know.
Yeah. But this was to find exactly. So welcome to the vlog.
But I'm not.
So why were you asking if Zama was playing? Why didn't you know whether Zama was playing or not?
I didn't hear that.
No, everybody heard it.
I didn't hear that. No, okay, I get it now. No, it's fine. We can play. Man.
We can play, we're playing.
Wo